a school, oh Lord, Jehovah, King of glory.
Yes, Lord.
Father, oh Lord, whenever they see this baby, they will see the glorious God upon his forehead, oh Lord Jehovah. Father, your light shall shine, oh Lord Jehovah, upon this child, oh Lord Jehovah. Father, King of, there will never be any sad stories upon the head of this baby, oh Lord Jehovah. Because this baby is here, oh Lord Jehovah. Because you have granted them this marvelous gift, oh Lord Jehovah. Father, this family will never lack again, oh Lord Jehovah. Because of this gift, oh Lord Jehovah, you are going to make it a way where there is no way for this family. Father, King of, what this baby is going to eat, oh Lord Jehovah, King of glory, Father, shall be surplus upon this family, O Lord Jehovah. Father, O Lord, open the gates of heaven and shower the parents, O Lord Jehovah, the ability to make money, the zeal to make money, the grace to make money. Father, King of glory, this baby has been born